Why? You guys are looking shabby. I want y'all to look like me now. Do I not look hot? Do not wish to look like me. Do you guys know this fruit?
If you trust me and give me that opportunity, I will not let you down.
It's called an African cucumber. I'm not sure if it's like Limpopo fella or what, but like, here's my fruit. Just put a little bit of salt in it. It tastes, the sweeter it gets. I actually need a spoon. On my makeup chair today, I am doing it now. I'm a celebrity. I just gotta do an interview for TV. Guess who's gonna be on TV? Let me keep my composure. You gotta get it dry because I'm get it dry.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty.
Why? Oh, every time I try this is what? I'm sure that's the first thing to pay.
Hi dollies! Hot. I wanna give you guys a quick update before I leave because it's getting late. So I am craving a bit of sushi. I decided to do my face just to lift my mood up. Now I'm craving a bit of sushi. I want to head out to Greenside, to Miyagi. There's a place there, they have an all-you-can-eat buffet, and I want to try it out. Currently the service is really bad. So it's too bad because they just don't want to work there. Or it was just a bad day for that girl and the waiter that she got. So flip it service, but another guy some flip it service. So Arieng, Robona, Horokomiyaki, went down. I was literally like, you know what, get stressed. It can stress even more. So let me glam up and head outside because I don't need antidepressants. You don't need antidepressants. You need to know how to do your own face. Or book me or more. I'ma do you like this. They look fine. I'm fine girl. You guys are looking shabby. I want y'all to look like me now. Do I not look hot? Do not wish to look like me. It's been long since I did a solo date, but I didn't know get me. Book me. As you can see, I'm right out now. Oh, sweet beauty. I'll show you guys with the pieces of what I had, but it's been such a bit. I'll tell you guys everything what I get. Just wanted to clean. Life proof for my clean. The food, the drinks, everything was amazing. The problem is that the place is understaffed. So reserve a table to avoid waiting outside, but get ready to wait for your food. I am about to have dessert and head out of this place. I've been here for quite some few hours. Kelapile and so it's not so bad. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing place, but not bad. I'm going to show you guys this dessert. Oh no. It's like a little marshmallow thing in my bobs. It tastes good. I don't wanna lie. I'm just not sure if I should be holding it with my hands or like. But let's say with that, but so I don't know what to if I guys. 28. This is my deadline. I really thought this day was like 2 days away, but that's literally 2 minutes away. This is today's date. Today's the 28th. Yeah, check your phone. We are still fixing my gizzard. So today I'll be having kraut. We have to go home. We can't wait here, and we can't call Umfana to come save us, because what happens on the day that Umfana is not here, we gotta do this on our own. You hear me? Let's go. Oh, I hope they don't park in front of me. Don't park in front of me or next to me. Oh my god, they're parking in front of me. Yo, like, just go, bruh. Oh god, is good. I'm taking the route less traveled because got the keys and I know myself. I can't compete with other drivers. I wanna drive on my own way. Get what I mean? So yeah, man. This is what it is. Yeah. Fuck that shit. Stop. Yeah, something is again. No, it's fine. I just need to go straight from here. Yep. I shot. Yeah. Why don't come around? I'm pretty. Anxiety, feverness, whatever negative vibe ke feel ke footage kon faster ko ntle kwa ka latla ko highway ke boa ga maloba. So now ngintsimbi ngazumzila learn ngithi wangithula mina ngizokushaya ngazumzila learn. So yeah, if you see me on the road, just know ngazumzila ne. And make sure the driver behind you doesn't rush me by making sure that you drive slowly. You drive slowly for me, and then I'll continue driving slowly on my own, because really that's what I do on a regular tequila. No, I don't want to rush. So no, so yeah, we're not the duty is to remind the driver behind you, hooray, skadum zila lana. I feel just coffee. Come feel energized. You know. I wanna mood. I wanna anyway. This is just me and myself, and yeah. I definitely needed a hug, but I'm gonna sit here and shoot YouTube content. When you see this, please like my videos and comment.